welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe for more tips on milk increase and other things that us mamas usually go through. And I find a lot of hacks that I love to share with my mamas. And now, as you can see in front of you, is a green papaya. Okay, it is not sweet. Okay, but if you do leave this somewhere where it's warm and you just leave it there for a few days, maybe about a week, it will become the sweet yellowish orange color that you usually see in the supermarket. So let me show you guys how I prepare this. Okay, see, don't mind, it's my children in the background. It can be very noisy. Cut this in half for y'all. Some seeds inside of it. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of these seeds, and this is how it looks. And then when you take it out, it just slides right out. But I'm not going to do that, it's going to be a lot of mess. So I'm going to use a bag. Thank you. It's one of my helpers. Hey Joshua. Okay, so I'm going to use this, take it out. You can use a spoon, but just like that. These are seeds you can actually plant, and it takes about a year for the whole tree to grow these type of vegetables. Okay, so inside of it, it's already, I took all the seeds out. So now this is the skin. You can boil it with the skin, but I prefer not to. Okay, right now I have my water boiling, guys. This is my water boiling. Where it's getting there. Okay. Now I'm going to peel this thing. If you guys have any other video ideas you guys would like me to try, any advice you guys need about breastfeeding, how to increase your milk supply, what to do for a baby if they're going through this or that or whatever it is, so as I peel these things, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So here I am. This is kind of difficult sometimes. Make sure you don't cut yourself. It's no rushing. I'm going to do one half. I'm going to do half of this. I'm going to save this. Wrap this up in paper so it doesn't get too dry, like a plastic paper, and put it in the fridge. So this could last me about 2 days. After I'm done boiling this, I am going to drink the water. Okay, you can drink it hot or cold. I like to add a little bit of sugar just to give it some flavor, so I don't have that taste in my mouth. Okay. So again, this is called a green papaya. Okay, for the Haitians who know, it's called papaya vert. Okay, that means green papaya. You can get that any Presidente, Bravo. You guys saw that? I almost cut myself. I like, you gotta be careful. Just take your time. Or you can just use a vegetable peeler. Give mommy a vegetable peeler. Do you see it here? So I can show it to them. In there, look inside there. You see it?
I don't know what that is.
Peeler. You know what that is? Yeah. You see it? Yeah. So anyways, so here I go. So now I'm going to clean up, like my mom always teach me. While you cook, clean up. Throw this in the garbage for me. Easy clean up. So you can cut these in chunks. If I had some saltfish, you can pair that up with it. If you can make like a sauce on the side with some saltfish or some meat or whatever you have, you can eat this with it. So it can be more tasteful. This is very good. It's not that bad. So the inside, you just scrape out things that's inside of it. So again, like I said, if you guys have any other ideas for me to post up, anything, I'll do it. You know, I do my videos as per requested. Okay.
Can I help?
Yep, these are all the kids coming in wanting to help. There's really nothing I'm doing. So I'm just gonna drop these in and leave it in for about 25 to 30 minutes. And again, I will not throw the water that I boil it in away. Okay, I will be drinking that water as well. So if you want an overflow of milk, this green papaya will really help. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be having more videos coming up. I'll be having some hacks for moms, and I will also be giving a lot of tips and advice on different things that's requested. Okay, so this is how it looks. Oh, there it goes. This is how it looks, and we will be letting these boil for about 15 to 30 minutes depending on the tenderness of it. Okay, and we'll just go from there. I will be posting on my my Instagram. It is called MSJLOC, Miss J Lock. Okay, don't worry, there's somebody taking care of the baby. Okay, so he just wants mommy right now, but I will be leaving now, so don't forget to like and subscribe once again. I will be back, y'all. Peace out. Be blessed.